Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are excited to announce the official launch of the BoloSign mobile app. Whether it's an iOS or Android, both platforms share the same easy to use interface. In this video, the iOS version will be showcased, walking through the app and its simple process of signing, sending and managing documents from anywhere. Let's dive in. Firstly, we'll download the BoloSign app from the App Store or Google Play Store. A quick installation, it's ready to use. Upon opening the app, a login screen appears, offering sign-in options via Google or email. New users can sign up to 5 documents for free, no credit card required. We'll go ahead with the continue with Google. All the installation process, choose an account, continue. After logging in, the dashboard displays all documents signed and pending. It's easy to track status like draft, signed, or needing attention. Searching for something quickly, use the search bar or filters to sort by document status, pending, signed, or draft. To add a new document, tap the plus icon. Upload options include Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, Box, or even demo documents for testing features. In this walkthrough, demo documents will be used to demonstrate how to explore the app's key. After uploading the document, it's time to choose the signers. Options include self-signing, request signatures from others, or sign in person. To prepare, we'll go ahead with just me. To prepare the document for signing, the document has been uploaded. To prepare this document for signing, we'll click on this plus icon. This icon will show you all the fillable fields. You can add fields such as name, signature, date, or text field. This ensures everything is ready for signing process. Next, we'll place the signature field. Drag and drop the signature field wherever it's required. If we'll double click on this, we'll get an option either to draw it or upload an image. The signature I have added, accept and sign. Once the signature is added, tap the finish document to finalize. The document status updates and it will be saved in the dashboard. A sign update appears, confirming the signature was saved successfully, simple and efficient. We have also received an email that shows that your document has been signed by all parties. For managing multiple documents, the Assign to Me options help organize them by status, such as pending, signed, reject, or approved. In the Pending tab, all documents awaiting signatures are displayed. Simply tap on Sign Now to proceed. Clicking Sign Now sends an invitation which says Start Signing button. After viewing the document and adding the signature, I have added the signature. Tap Finish to complete. Sending response. Once all the signatures are gathered, a confirmation screen appears and a signed copy is sent via email. By clicking on the account logo at the top, you can see there are 6 additional features which are also available in this app, is like account, resources, blogs, and the roadmap for the future update and accessible. In the account setting, the current plan and the document usage states are visible. Within the profile section, you can add details such as name, role, and time zone, ensuring accurate timestamps on document. In the organization section, add organization specific information like name, size, and industry. vital for managing documents effectively. Lastly, after all the documents are signed, a notification confirms completion with everything securely saved. That's the full tour of the BoloSign app. From document upload to managing signatures and tracking progress, it's designed for seamless use. If this walkthrough was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more updates. Happy signing with BoloSign. Thank you.